Guys, for today's video, magbubukatin tayo ng opening ng Cafe Korea here sa Festival Mall. Ayan. Festival! It's my home turf, so let's check it out. Okay, so naglalakad ako, naliligaw pa rin ako, hindi ko alam, basta sabi nila second floor daw, so hanapin natin sa Festival Mall. And kung wala, magtanong na lang tayo sa concierge. Sobrang laki na ng Festival Mall ngayon, kung iba na siya. Okay, so nakalimutan ko na upper ground lang pala to, may second floor. Pero alam ko, second floor to eh. Anyway, sige, so kung magda-drop by kayo, it's in the front of the carousel. Ayun yung carousel. So, tapat lang daw. Okay, let's go. Ayun, so ito na, nasa third level na tayo. Ayan, Cafe Koreano. Spot mo there. There. So ayun guys, kung mag-festival mall kayo, nasa may carousel siya. Ayan. So, sign up lang tayo dito.
And of course, then over that, the Vice President, Head of Strategic Commercial Centers and Retail Business, Ms. Hazel B. Narvaez. Come forward. A little bit closer here. Thank you. This is to officially commemorate the grand opening of Cafe Koreano in Ponchon through our ceremonial ribbon cutting. But first, let's take a souvenir photo for a while. We'll give you the handheld logo for Cafe Koreano. It's actually a meme. Now open, cool like Koreano, Cafe Koreano. What else? Can I have it? Beans to coffee and now beans to add Cafe Koreano. Come on, let's take a photo souvenir. There you have it. Smile. All right.
Tumakas muna tayo. Alis muna tayo dito sa event. Dito muna tayo. So tapos na yung event and ngayon magla-lunch tayo sa Ponchon. Let's go!
Asan Kenneth Park?
Sa Korea, sa mga kaibigan, bagus lang. Thank you for the tour.